Hi makers, I'm going to show you how to do some bulk editing in your products page. So when you're in the products section, you can go to my products and it will bring up a list of all of your products that you have l- uh, listed. So whether they are in an approved status or they're in a disapproved status, they will all show in this list. There's a couple of things that you can do with filters in this left-hand section underneath the sort by. You can click on that drop down and in there you can actually search by approved, disabled, approval pending, reapproval or sold out. So if you want to actually just see what you don't have enabled, so what's disapproved, you can just do a filter there, and that way then you can just work through those ones that aren't actually listed on your store currently. You can get rid of that, of course, just by removing that filter search. Um, what you can do with enabling, disabling, and deleting, you can either do it one at a time, or what you can do is do some bulk editing. So I'll show you obviously one at a time. We're going to look at this product here, which is the only one that's currently disapproved. When you go to the right hand side with those three dots, you can click on that and it will come up with edit, enable, or delete. So now remember, delete is delete, it's gone forever. So edit obviously will let you edit takes you into the actual product listing to make your changes. And then we can also enable. So enable, and it will say you're about to enable product. Do you want to proceed? And click enable. Sometimes this will happen quickly. Other times it may take a little bit of time. There we go. That's clicked over to approved. So now if we want to actually disable every single product that we have in our store at the moment, what you can do instead of, so on the left hand side here, you've got all these boxes that enable you to selectively tick. So you can select three of them, or at the very top, you've got basically like a select all. So you can select all, and up in this bulk action section here, you've got select options with the little drop down. So click on that. And from there, you can enable selected, disable selected, or delete selected. So again, remember, delete is deleted, gone forever. So if we want to just, for the purpose of this example, disable all of them. So we've selected everything by ticking this top box. You can see they're all highlighted and they all have the tick box. So let's select disable. Now it's saying you're about to disable 6 products. Do you want to proceed? So let's say disable. So you can see that that will happen. It's disabling the products in the background and that's happened quite quickly. So now those products are no longer showing in my storefront. Okay. So you work your way through updating all of your products and they actually are ready to be listed in your store and you just want to enable everything. Obviously be sure that everything is ready to be enabled. So again, you can either go, these 3 products are the ones that I want to enable. I'm still working on the other 3. So you can selectively pick multiple. Again, go back to the bulk action section and then you can select enable selected. You're about to enable 3 and enable. And so those 3 will work on being approved and the other 3 are still sitting in the disapproved. So when you go to view the profile, which is your store, the only products that will actually show are the 3 that we've enabled. The other 3 are not showing as active in your store. So they're there for you to either update and be able to enable for your store, or you can leave them there as disapproved, or you can actually delete them to clean up your system. Um, and a couple of other little quick things with your search function. Obviously, if you've got more than one page, so you've got multiple products, what you can do in the search function here is you can type a particular item, so it will short list with the word belt in it. So any of your listings with belt, you can actually shortlist them there. So that way then it's like a little bit easier to navigate through your product listings to work on, certain areas or certain categories or certain products in your store so you can actually get them ready to go live. All right, hopefully that was helpful, makers.